Ever feel like life's on autopilot? Wake up, phone, eat, scroll, work, sleep, repeat. And somewhere in the middle of that loop, you lose yourself. Not dramatically, not all at once, but slowly, like sand slipping through fingers, until one day you pause and realize you've been surviving, not living. That's where this begins. Not with a breakthrough, but with a reset. 7 days. 7 small, real steps to quiet the noise and remember who the hell you are. Day 1, clean one thing. Not your whole room, not your whole life. Just one thing. That one drawer, that one corner. You'd be surprised how uncluttering your space can unclog your mind, because mess creates static, and clarity starts with simplicity. You're not cleaning to be neat. You're clearing space for you. Day 2, move your body. Doesn't matter how. Walk, stretch, dance like an idiot. Just move. Not to look good, but to remind yourself this body isn't just a container. It's a vehicle. And when it moves, your mind follows. Stagnation kills drive. Movement fuels it. Day 3, journal 5. Honest sentences, no filters, no perfection. Just write. How are you really feeling? What's heavy? What's hopeful? You don't need to figure everything out. You just need to let it out. Your thoughts are real, but they don't have to stay trapped. Day 4. Do one thing you've been avoiding. Call that person. Send that email. Wash those damn dishes. Avoidance builds anxiety, but action, that builds freedom. Prove to yourself you can face what you fear, even if it's tiny. Day 5. Disconnect to reconnect. 1 hour. No screen, no feed, no endless scrolling. Just you and your life. Go outside. Sit in silence. Read, think, breathe. We spend more time plugged into others' lives than living our own. Reclaim your time, not forever. Just enough to remember what real peace feels like. Day 6. Do something. Just for joy, not for progress, not for hustle. Just joy. Sing badly. Draw poorly. Watch a cartoon. Laugh, be weird. You're not a machine. You're allowed to play. And when you rediscover joy, you rediscover fuel. Day 7. Reflect. Look back. Not to judge, but to acknowledge. You didn't change your life in 7 days, but you showed up. You pushed back against numbness. You created momentum. And sometimes a reset isn't about becoming new. It's about remembering who you were before the world got loud. So if you felt lost, overwhelmed, burnt out, try this. 7 days. 7 small shifts. This isn't a challenge, it's a lifeline. And you don't have to wait for Monday, or next month, or the new year. Just start with one thing. One drawer, one step, one sentence. Momentum begins with motion, and healing begins with showing up. Let this be your reset. Not because everything's okay, but because you're ready to make it okay, and that's enough.